past trades that I've done during the whole week. So let me just get my trading list out. Okay, the first one was this one. I traded a Corgi for the Admiralty's box, Stanley Cup, and Biggie and this box. So yeah, I'll do all these boxes. Next one is this. I traded these two packs for Gummy Guana because as you can see in my last videos, I got some Gummy Guanas by grinding, and these two I traded, and I'm about to make a new one, so I'm going to show you that later. Sorry, wait. Yeah, so I know this trade is like very unfair, but I really wanted a Gummy Guana because I only had one at that time. Okay, so this one is a vanilla penguin for the sour glider because I've never had a glider before, so I really wanted a glider. So this one is the best one ever. So their want was a snowball pug, so then I offered it to them, and then they offered a Christmas spirit, so then I wanted them to add a snow owl, and then they added it, and I felt bad, so because they didn't know value, so then I told them to remove the Christmas spirit and only do the snow owl, and they actually overpaid a lot, so I was really happy for that, and I also showed all my friends that. And this one is my bestie, I love her, and I just traded a bunch of donuts because this girl wasn't trading me, so yeah, bye emojis.